Hello guys, welcome back to Maxstudio, and in this video we'll be illustrating Dr. Dre. We're having his birthday soon, so we decided to cook something very nice and some acts for him. Okay, now this is a course screen, and yeah, we spotted the picture that we're going to use poster edges while on Photoshop to make it a little bit way of tracing it in CorelDRAW. So right now we're on the code screen once more, and yep, we have it, and we have selected the pencils already, and we have to cut out the face, make it more Dre. So cutting out or drawing out the face. I'll select the 100% black. While we're doing this, we want it to color shades to be a bit sharper while working this, so enjoy. So right now I'm still on his face, and we're adjusting the eyebrows and to make sure everything go in check, like, and got to work in his eyes. Putting some details in the face to get it all twitched up. For the lip, we're going to draw out the top one before we draw out the bottom. In this, because we're going to have different colors while painting, so need to do something like that so that when we get mixed up while painting, we can be able to easily paint separately. So please, if you haven't subscribed, do so to subscribe, and also hit the notification bell. We try hard to release new illustrative videos every week. Every week. So back to our imagery, and yeah, we're on the cap. So we're going to trace out this top fonts in his hat or cap. I can't really see what is written on the cap because it's a little bit blurry, and so we're just going to trace out how it turns out, how we can see it. But really can't really know what it's written on it. So adding some detail in the face to get it all well. Yeah, the faces is really coming out. So we're tracing out the hoodie, and for this part we're going to do each parts separately. Why? Because we want to get that hoodie looks, and we're going to add a different color from the colors on the body. So that's what we're trying to achieve here. So right now we're taking out these fonts and tracing it out very well, clean, making sure it's all good. Yeah. So yeah, making it's okay. So this kind of process you have to use in achieving Illustrator. You gotta use a pen to draw out every with our mouse, and we're not using any tablets today, so we're just using the mouse and the pen to make sure everything is cool and everything is unique. So tracing out the font on the shirt, on the hood top, adding some details to give those dark shadows in it. Yep. So while coloring, it gets really detailing on it. So yeah, that's it. The ropes, and yeah, put some little bit of gold at top. Didn't really know what color was that, but just trying to make it look cool. So right now picking out the colors while we're about to get painting and so while I was telling you about the lip stuff, because we're gonna paint separately, right now we call and paste back, so painting bottom, and now painting the top. So look at it, got different layout, like the bottom is a little bit pink and top it will be brown. So that's what we're trying to do. So in case you need you want your image to be illustrated, you can hit me on the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And also while putting out the image, make sure it's all clear and good. So yeah, so it's looking really cool now. Real cool, man. So shading out the face with some dark shadows to illustrate where the light is coming from. And yeah, on also the hood top too, so I'm putting it dark shadows, make it a little bit darker because the share the hood top is already dark, so we're just gonna make it a little bit darker. Yeah, I think it's already pulling out, just needs a few adjustments. So yep. So yeah, it is Dr. Dre. We're done with it. I hope you like this and enjoy this video. Please be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.